Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in and ready. First, confirm your account recovery options so you don't lose access. Once done, make sure your new phone number can receive SMS or calls. Insert the SIM now. Next, backup contacts and export any app passwords. This prevents lockout during changes. Navigate to account or security settings and locate phone or recovery options. Start the change process immediately by selecting Add Phone or Edit Current Number. You'll be prompted to verify via code. Now you add the new number. Choose Add Phone, enter the country code and the new digits, and request verification. You'll get a 6-digit code via SMS or an automated call. Enter it promptly. Codes often expire in minutes. Once verified, set this number as your primary recovery and two-factor option if desired. Make sure to leave the old number active until the new one is confirmed, because some providers require both during transition to avoid accidental lockouts. Finish by testing logins. Sign out, then sign back in and request a 2FA code to verify the new number works on at least 2 devices. Remove the old number only after successful verification and update any linked apps or services that used the previous number. Revoke unused sessions and save new backup codes. If verification fails, don't panic. Use backup codes, the recovery email, or the provider's account recovery flow. If needed, contact support with account details and proof of identity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.